Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to mask the password or how to hide the password in C programming. So let's do the same thing practically. So here I want to declare one array over here, that is the character password of 30. So I will store the password in this variable, that is character array. Now I want to ask to the user that enter password. So whenever user enter the password, if you are using the scanf, then it will be visible to the user. But you can use the function that is getch. So whatever enter by the user, that will not be displayed, right? And you can store it into your variable also. For example, let me write here one variable that is character ch. And let me get the character in this variable, that is ch is equal to getch. Getch is the function which is available in console input output, that is conio.h header file if you are using the turbo C. But if you are using the code block, then you can use directly if you are writing underscore getch over here. So if you are writing the underscore getch, then it will get the character from the user, but it will not display that particular character. For example, let me build and run. Whenever you build and run, it will ask me for the password, that is enter the password. Suppose if I am entering any character, for example P, see here it is not displaying the character P, but P is stored in the ch variable. What is the proof? The proof is you can print that particular character, that is %C and ch. So whatever you enter the character, it will display over here. For example, if I am writing A, then capital A will be displayed over here. It means that getch will get the character, but it will not display that particular character. So we can take the benefit of this, and that is what we can write the loop over here that get all the character into this variable, that is a ch, that not equal to 13. 13 is the ASCII value of the /n. So what happens? Your character will be stored into ch variable. Now here you can simply do what? You can store that character into pwd of index. So you can write pwd of I is equal to ch. Then what is I? I is the variable, that is you can say index variable is equal to 0, and here you can increment the value of I. So one by one, what happened in password array, my each and every character will be stored and it will not be displayed to the user. And at last you can write pwd of I is equal to null. So it is end of string. Now you can simply print the password, and the password is your password is equal to %s, and you can print the password. Now what happened? Your password will be hidden. You can build and run this particular code. Whenever you run this, it will ask you to enter the password. For example, I am writing here password, that is Athmir. Now this password is not visible to the user, but if you press enter, then it will be visible that your password is equal to Athmir. But I want to mask the password. It means that I want to write the star in place of blank. So how we can do this? Very simple. Here you can write /n. Here you can print the character star for every character. So what happened? It will get the character, but it will print the asterisk. For example, let me write here, that is Parag. So it is masking. You can say my password is masked over here. So my password is not visible over here, and in place of every character it is displaying star, and whenever you press enter, you will get that your password is equal to Parag. So this is the way you can hide your password, or you can mask your password in C. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.